Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video what I'm going to do is let me show you something on the Facebook. If I go to facebook.com, right? So this is the front end that you actually look at. Now let's say what I do is I type facebook.com/ads manager ads manager and then enter. Right now what I will get is the back end of the Facebook. Now this is the back end of the Facebook, right? Now here you can put an advertisement so that the advertisement can appear on the Facebook. Now I'll show you what are the different kinds of ads which are there, which is possible, right? If you click on this so-called the plus button, the create, right? So it will give you information. There are three kinds of advertisements clusters, right? One is called the awareness. This is called the awareness ads. This is called the consideration ads, and this is called the conversion ads. Now, what is the difference between awareness ad, consideration ad, and conversion ad? Okay, so that probably I would just give you an overview on that. Okay, let me give you an overview on that. Let me open a screen, right? Let me open a screen. I'm going to create a new code, right? Let me start with this. What exactly do I mean by awareness ad, right? Consideration ad and conversion ad. So if you take normally, okay, there is something called a marketing funnel. So you have to understand there is something called a marketing funnel. Now what do I mean by marketing funnel? Right? There is something called a marketing funnel. So in the marketing funnel there are three different uh, stages in a marketing funnel. Three different stages in a marketing funnel. So what is exactly this marketing funnel is all about? So marketing actually is a process of converting a stranger, okay, into a friend, and friend into a prospect, and a prospect into a buyer or a customer. So what exactly happens on the top of the funnel? You are attracting strangers and converting them into friends, or you are actually identifying the right prospect who might be probably later they may become a buyer. Okay, they may become a buyer. Let me take you for example first initially. So what is this one? This first top of the funnel, it's called top of the funnel, which is called the awareness. It's called the awareness stage. It's called the awareness. So first is awareness. This is called the awareness stage. We call it here we put, that is the reason Facebook has created something called the awareness ads, which is actually called the top of the funnel ads. The next one, okay, next one is called the consideration. It's called the consideration. So next is called the consideration ads, right? It's called the consideration as a consideration phase. The third one is nothing but is a conversion. Okay, it's a conversion. So you have awareness, consideration, and conversion. So a prospect goes through all these three different phases of stages to get converted. Okay, so first they have to go through awareness phase, then consideration phase, and then conversion phase. In case of social media, normally what exactly happens in the awareness stage, they get to know about you, right? First they get to know about you, and then they slowly they like you, right? They like your page or like your page, your information and so on. They like you, right? And then the third one normally happens, which is nothing but you build trust. So you build trust, right? So you build trust, right? Then once the trust is built, then what normally happens is uh, they they may try buying your product, they may try your product, and eventually they may buy. They may buy. So B U Y, yeah, buy. So buy. So if you are, in order for you to make sure that they buy your product, if they have to buy your product, they have to go through all this journey. So they have to first, initially they have to actually get to know you, right? They have to get to know you, and they should like you, and then slowly they have to trust you, and from trust they try, and then they buy, right? So this is the entire journey is all about. So to do this, of course, you have on the Facebook, you have these three categories, that is awareness ads, consideration ads, and conversion ads. Okay, so we will see rest of it in the next video.